Hi guys, Neil Waterhouse. Last month I did a quick video about eBay dropshipping and the top 5 ways to avoid suspension. If you missed that video, I'll put a link at the end of this video. This week's video is an update as eBay recently made a change which is critical to know if you're an eBay dropship seller. In this video I'll demonstrate using eBay Australia, however it's the same strategy in most other countries. As I showed in that previous video, one of the top 5 reasons eBay dropship sellers get banned is because their defect score is too high for the defect called transactions you cancelled for being out of stock. This defect is caused by sellers cancelling orders, and one of the 3 reasons why eBay dropship sellers cancel orders is because they've sold an item and then they discover that their supplier does not ship to the postcode or zip code of the buyer. Well, just like all the other defects, there is a solution to stop this happening, and eBay has recently made it a whole lot easier. So step 1 is to ask your dropship supplier which postcodes or zip codes they don't ship to, and then exclude that area. Let me show you. Click the revise listing button on any of your eBay listings. Then scroll down to the postage section. Now, next to whichever postage policy that you're using for that listing, click the 3 dots and select Edit Policy. Now scroll down to the bottom of this pop-up and you'll now see Create Exclusion List. Now click on this Create Exclusion List hyperlink and now you'll see the areas and countries that you can quickly and easily exclude. The big change here is eBay has now made it easy to exclude areas in all postal policies. You no longer have to set up a business policy or postal rates policy to exclude areas. Now note though that eBay does not allow you to exclude one postcode or one zip code. To exclude one or more postcodes or zip codes, you have to exclude a whole area. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. If you also want to know the top 5 ways to avoid suspension with dropshipping on eBay, make sure you watch this video up here. Until next week, stay safe, list more, sell more. This is Neil Waterhouse.